Hello students. In the last class I have discussed quadratic equation, type of quadratic equation and nature of quadratic equation. In this video I will be solving problems based on nature of quadratic equation. In the previous class I have already informed you about the nature of roots. So let me recall the nature of roots, its condition in the new video. So what was our nature of roots? Our nature of roots was first discriminant is equal to 0. Discriminant is equal to 0. And what is our discriminant value? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So when our discriminant will become 0, the nature of the roots are real and equal. When our discriminant value becomes greater than 0, discriminant greater than 0, our roots will be real but unequal. And our third condition was when discriminant is less than 0, the nature of the root was no real roots. So based on these three conditions, we will be solving the problem in this video. So let me begin with the NCERT books, chapter 4, exercise 4.4. What is the first question? Exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. If the real root exists, find them. So what is our question? Number 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. And in the question they are asking, find the nature of the roots. So nature of the roots depends on our discriminant value, that is nothing but b square minus 4ac. And from the above given equation, what is our ABC value? We know the standard form of quadratic equation is nothing but x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means the coefficient of x square is nothing but our a value. So what is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square is nothing but 2. Coefficient of x is nothing but our b value. So from here we can see coefficient of x is nothing but minus 3. And the constant value is nothing but our c. Okay student? So let us find the discriminant value. Then we can determine what is the nature of the roots. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So if I put the value of b from here, our b value is nothing but minus 3 square. Minus 4 into our a value is nothing but 2. And our c value is 5. So from here we can see 3 square is nothing but 9. And from here, if we multiply 5 to the 10, 10 for the 40. So our value is minus 31. So under which given situation this value comes, we can see our third condition, when discriminant is less than 0, the condition is no real roots. So here nature of roots is nature of the roots is no real roots. Since our discriminant value is less than 0, therefore nature of the roots is no real roots. So this is the simple problem based on this. Let us do one more problem to understand the problem very nicely. So let me solve one more problem. What is the second problem? 3x square minus 4x, sorry 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So from given condition we can see our a value is 3 and our b value is nothing but minus 4 root 3 and our c value is 4. So what is the discriminant formula? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So if we go from above condition, our b value is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into our a value is nothing but 3 and our c value is 4. So from here we can see 4 root 3 square is nothing but 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. So if we multiply 4 into 4 it becomes 16 and root 3 into root 3 it becomes 3. So 16 into root 3 is equal to 48. So our value is 48 minus same value it is here 48. So our result is 0. So from the given three condition, which one is satisfied? Our discriminant value becomes 0. So discriminant value becomes 0 when our roots are real and equal. So we can write the conclusion that nature is equal to, since our discriminant value is equal to 0, we can say nature of the roots are real and equal. Now since our nature becomes real and equal, they are asking if the real root exists, find the solution. Now we will go for solving the problem with the quadratic formula. So our quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. So what is our b value? B value is nothing but 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 plus minus our b value is same minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 3 and our c value is 4 by 2 a. So 2 into 3. So minus minus plus minus. Already we have solved this value. It was nothing but 48 minus 48 divided by 6. So what we are getting from here? 4 root 3 plus minus 0 by 6. So what we have to do? We have to write it 2 times. So 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6, 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6, that is equal to 4 root 3 by 6, 4 root 3 by 6. So we can cancel it out. 3, 2, 3. So our result is 2 root 3 by 3. So you can see, student, the value we have got here, both are same. The values are same. That's why when our discriminant becomes equal to 0, our values are real and equal. So both are equal values. So I hope you have understood these problems. For your convenience, I am going to solve one more problem. So see it carefully. Let me solve one more problem. X square minus 2 root 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. So from given equation we can see our A value is 1, our B value is minus 2 root 3 and our C value is equal to 9. So let us find the discriminant value. Discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. So our B value is minus 2 root 3 whole square minus 4 into A value is 1 and C value is 9. So 2 root 3 whole square is 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. So 2 to the 4, root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. So we can see our value is equal to 12. And 9 fours are 36. So we can see our result is minus 24. So we can say discriminant is less than 0. So when our discriminant becomes less than 0, the nature of the roots is no real roots. So since we are getting no real roots, so there is no need of solving the problem. Our problem stops here. So I have solved 3 problems based on our quadratic formula and nature of the roots. Let me go with the another type of problem. All the problems that I am solving, these are from NCERT book, Class 10, exercise 4.4. Question number 2. Find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. We are finding the value of k. And they have given that the condition of roots are equal. They are telling the roots are equal. So what is the question here? Find the value of k for which the roots are equal. So let me solve with a simple problem. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. See student, in the question they have already mentioned that the roots are equal. So roots becomes equal when do our roots becomes equal? When our discriminant becomes equal to 0. So we can take that conclusion. Since roots are equal, since our roots are equal, so we can say discriminant is equal to 0. And we know our discriminant formula is nothing but b square minus 4ac. So what is the b value from our given equation? From given equation we can see this is our b value, this is our a value and this is our c value. So from this b value is nothing but k. So it becomes k square minus 4 into our a value is nothing but 2. And our c value is nothing but 3 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So k square is nothing but 24. But we have to find the value of k. So k is equal to, if I take this square that side, it becomes square root. So square root of 24 is nothing but, you can factorize it and find out 2, 12, 6, 3. So we can see one pair is here. From there we can take out 1, 2 outside. And since these two are unpaired, so it will be inside. So 3 to the 6. So our k value is nothing but plus minus 2 root 6. Therefore, k is equal to plus minus 2 root 6. Here we have used this condition because in the question they have already used that roots are equal. But in the previous problem, we did not use this condition since this condition was not given. We have to find the nature in the previous question. Okay, student? So this is a simple problem based on nature of roots to find the value of k. So let us deal with some more example. Our next question is number 3. X square minus k plus 4 into x plus 2k plus 5 is equal to 0. So from here, students, we can see the coefficient of x square is nothing but 1. So our a value is 1. So what will be our b value? Our b value is equal to the value before the coefficient of x. So we can see the coefficient of x is nothing but minus k plus 4. And our c value is the remaining value that is present in the given equation. So that is nothing but 2k plus 5. So let us use the condition. What was our condition? Our condition was roots are equal. So since the roots are equal, so we can say that the discriminant value is equal to 0. So when will our discriminant become 0? When b square minus 4ac will become equal to 0. So let us put the value of b. Our b value is minus of k plus 4 whole square minus 4 into our a value is 1 and our c value is 2k plus 5 is equal to 0. So minus square it becomes plus and k plus 4 whole square is nothing but k square plus 2 into k into 4 plus 4 square. A plus b whole square formula, students. Minus, multiply this 4 into 2k plus 5 is equal to 0. So k square plus 4 to the 8k plus 4 square is nothing but 16 minus 4 to the 8k plus minus plus it becomes minus 4 5 the 20 is equal to 0. So you can see plus 8k and minus 8k gets cancelled out. So k square plus 16 minus 20 becomes minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, k square is equal to 4 and k becomes equal to plus minus root over 4. So we can say k value is plus minus 2. Square root of 4 is nothing but 2. Now let us check the given condition. Will both the values satisfy? Since our k value is plus minus 4. So plus 4, 2 and negative 2. Will it be satisfied in the given condition? If I put here plus 2, it becomes x square minus 6x. There is no effect in the given condition. So both the values are satisfied. So our answer is k equal to plus minus 2. So to find the value of k, we use the given condition. In some conditions they may use here roots are equal and unequal. So when our condition will be roots are equal and unequal, real and unequal, In that case, our discriminant value will not become equal to 0. What happens? Our discriminant becomes greater than 0. So we will use this condition when our question will be roots are real and unequal. So let me solve one more little complicated problem. This is question number 6. K minus 12 x square plus 2 into k minus 12 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So our first work is to find A, B and C. We can see our A value is k minus 12. Our B value is 2 into k minus 12 and our C value is nothing but 2. So let us go to our given condition. What was our given condition? That the roots are equal. So since the roots are equal, we can write our discriminant is equal to 0. That is nothing but b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So let us put the value. Our b value is 2 into k minus 12 whole square minus 4 into a value is k minus 12 and our c value is 2 is equal to 0. So we can see from here 2 square is nothing but 4 and let us keep this value without using the formula. It becomes k minus 12 whole square and from here we can see 4 2s are 8. 8 into k minus 12 is equal to 0. Now you can see student k minus 12 and k minus 12 is common in both the given condition. So we can take out k minus 12 as common. Moreover, if we go with 4 and 8, 8 is coming in the multiple table of 4. That means 4 is common in both the case. So I can take 4 as a common factor. So from here we have taken 4 common and out of 2 k minus 12 we have taken one of the k minus 12 as a factor. So what is left from here? K minus 12. One factor is already taken in this case. So another one more factor is left here. From here what is left? 2. This factor is already taken as common and from 8 we have taken common as 4. So what is left? Minus 2. So 4 into k minus 12 and from here if we go for solving it becomes k minus 14 is equal to 0. So what are the factors we can see from here? We can see k minus 12 into k minus 14 is equal to 0. This 4 will go in the denominator and it will get cancelled out. So from here we can say either k minus 12 is equal to 0. So our k value becomes equal to 12. Or k minus 14 is equal to 0, k is equal to 14. But student, we are getting two values of k. One is 12 and another value is 14. So does both the given k value will satisfy the given condition? Let us check with it. First of all, let us take the value of k equal to 12. So if I put the value of k 12 here, so it becomes 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12 is nothing but 0. So it will become 0 into x square. So this term gets eliminated. if our x square term is eliminated, then there will be no quadratic form. So we can say that this value will not satisfy. It means this is not possible. So our given k value is nothing but 14. So the solution of k is equal to 14. So these are the problems based on nature of roots and quadratic formula. Let me go with the next problem. Question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango group? They are telling, can you design a rectangular mango group? Suppose this is our rectangular mango group. So we know, since the figure is given, this is a rectangular figure. So rectangular figure consists of length and breadth. So they are telling, is it possible to design the rectangular group? Now what is the condition? Whose length is twice its breadth. They are telling that length is twice the breadth. So dear student, whenever you get comparison type of problem, means they are telling that length is twice the breadth. Means they are comparing our length value with our breadth value. So we are comparing length with breadth. So to whom we are comparing? To breadth. So whatever we are comparing, to whom we are comparing, that value is taken as x. So let us consider breadth equal to x unit. So our length will become, length is equal to, length is nothing but twice breadth, means 2 into x. Now they are telling the area is 800 meter square. So according to our given condition, area is equal to 400 meter square. Sorry student, it is 800 meter square. So formula of area is nothing but length into breadth is equal to 800. So from given condition, our length value is twice x and our breadth value is x is equal to 800. 2x into x is nothing but 2x square equal to 800. So x square is equal to 800 by 2. So x square is equal to 400. So we can see x value is equal to plus minus root over 400. So if we take the square root of 400, what is the square root of 400? 200, 100, 50, 25, 5, 5. So from here we are getting 5, from here 2, from here 2. So if we multiply 2 2 is 4, 4 5 is 20. So our x value is 20, plus minus 20. So x is equal to 20. Negative value is not possible because we are measuring length. So measurement cannot be negative. So we can conclude that our length is equal to 2 into 20 is equal to 40 meter and breadth is equal to 20 meter.